Hello everyone, how's going on? I hope everyone is good and doing their study at home. In today's video, we will talk about a fun activity that is second number, the second activity. First, we have already seen in the previous video. Today, we will see the second activity, uh, which are there after third chapter. After the exercise of third chapter, so we will see where means on which topic we are going to see, on which topic we are going to talk. So let's see this. Can you see this? Yeah, this the second one we are going to do the fun time my activity. You can see the second activity. Click on the penguin icon. The list of options will appear. Select the activity memory game with images, right? Flip the cards to find the matching pairs. So this fun activity we will see today. So let's start with that. You have to go to the search bar, and there you have to write Gcompress. On that you have to click, and it will give you one option. The background music is not yet downloaded. Do you want to download it now? So it is up to you whether you want to download it or not. If you don't want to download it, you will say no. If you want to download it, you will say yes. ठीक है, अगर डाउनलोड करना होगा तो आप यस करोगे, और डाउनलोड नहीं करना होगा तो नो कहोगे. सो आई डोंट वांट टू डाउनलोड इट. मुझे बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक की ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो मैं इसे डाउनलोड नहीं करूँगी. सो आई जस्ट क्लिक ऑन नो. Okay, then let's start with today's activity. In today's activity, using this activity, it will increase your memory capacity. ठीक है, आप कितना चीज़ों को याद कर सकते हो, कितना टाइम के लिए उस चीज़ों को दिमाग में रख सकते हो, ये इस एक्टिविटी से हम देखेंगे. इट विल गिव यू प्रैक्टिस टू सी हाउ लॉन्ग यू कैन कीप योर डेटा इन योर मेमोरी. ठीक है, सो या फाइन. So it was given in your book, it was given in your book that you have to click on this, the second number option, the penguin option. But that activity is not present in this option. It is present in fourth number option, right? There you have to go and you have to click on this option. Once you will click, the screen will open. Once you click, this screen will open, and you can see. Before starting with this, let's talk about what activity is. So name of the activity is memory game with image against ducks. Flip the card to find the matching pairs against ducks. ठीक है, तो आपको मैचिंग पेयर फाइंड आउट करना है. ठीक है, गोल क्या है? ट्रेन योर मेमोरी एंड रिमूव ऑल द कार्ड्स. ठीक है, आप अपने मेमोरी में उस इमेज को स्टोर करके रखोगे और उसके एग्जैक्ट कॉपी को आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. ठीक है, okay, then you have to go. Fine, let's start with this. Okay, so we can see this. uh, we are having 6 stages or 6 level. This one is third. Then we will have the next stage 4. This is 5, and this one is 6, right? So I will only conduct 2 levels because I don't have that much time to play each and every levels. But whenever you are having a time, you just go through it, you can play with it, and it will enhance your memory capacity, right? So okay, fine. So after finishing this, what you can do, you can just go to uh, home. Fine. And once you go to home, if you want to use other options, other activity, you can use it, right? If you want to search anything other, like you are knowing about a specific activity, you can just go here and you will type your whatever the activity you want, you will start writing there. Fine. And you can see, other than this, there are so many activities are here, so you can choose any activity out of this. Whenever you are having a free time, you can just use this activity, right? And once you will finish this, fine, once you will finish this and you want to move out from your screen, right? Like once you have done all your activity, you can see so many activities are here. See, so many activities are here. See, you can see the spelling of color. Fine, I'm not going to play it, so I'll just go back. So what I want to tell you, whenever you are having a time, you can just go through it. It will increase your capacity, right? Fine. So okay, then it was all about today's topic. If you're having any problem, you can ask me. In tomorrow's video, we will have the computer lab. We will see how to do the typing in MS Word, right? So fine. In tomorrow's video, we will have the practical. We will see how to type the letters. Fine. Then once you will finish with this, and you, if you want to move out from your screen, then what you have to do, you have to just click on that downside navigation is coming now. Downside navigation, you have to click on it. Fine. And you can see, you have to click on it. ठीक है? तो अगर जब आफ्टर यूजिंग दिस एप्लीकेशन, अगर आपको बाहर निकलना होगा, एग्जिट करना होगा, तो यहाँ पे साइड में ऑप्शन है, लैपटॉप में क्विट करके एक ऑप्शन होता है, उस पर आप क्लिक कर देते हो और इजीली आप वहाँ से बाहर एग्जिट कर लेते हो। बट यहाँ पे क्विट करके कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, तो क्विट करने के लिए आपको क्या करना होगा, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू जस्ट गो टू द डाउन साइड में जाके, ठीक है, नेविगेशन बार ऊपर आएगा, उसके बाद जो राइट साइड में, एक्सट्रीमली राइट साइड में जो ऑप्शन है उस पर क्लिक कर देना होगा, राइट? सो वी विल डू दैट एंड वी विल कम आउट ऑफ द स्क्रीन. इट विल आस्क यू, ठीक है, कि क्विट, डू यू रियली वांट टू क्विट cheek compress? So you will say yes. Fine. So you will say yes. You will come out of this screen. So it was all about how to use the fun activity, so you can use it, you can play whenever you're having a free time. Okay, then so let's tomorrow we will have the second video. Second means we will have the lab of this chapter. So till then, thank you so much.